how do you find the actual remote positions? And it's easier than ever to find remote jobs where you could do something like this. Right now, I have the ability to do this. And the reason why is I've just been doing this for years. Like, I've positioned myself to where I can work overseas full time. I could be living in the Philippines right now, working at a 6-figure job. As I say it, it sounds crazy to me. And the reason why that is possible is because I have the ability to get a remote job easy, and I have more than one stream of income. So if you're interested in doing something like this, working in another country, it's very, very possible. I have a course that walks you through how to find remote jobs and how to position yourself. Like, it might not be for you. Like, I know how to do this. So if you're interested, go to ConvoCourses, look for a course that I made called Finding Remote IT Jobs. Because of this, because of the way I position myself, 90% of the jobs that are offered to me, not 90, probably 60% of the jobs that get offered to me are remote positions because of how I did it. And if you're interested, let me show you. Go to ConvoCourses. Here's one where I'm telling you how to market yourself with a cybersecurity IT. I'm just telling you exactly what I've been doing for the last 6 years now. I just put it all in a course. And then the other one, if you want to just focus on remote jobs, you already know how to market yourself and stuff. You're okay with that, is this one right here. Working remotely, finding IT remote jobs. There's more than ever right now. You could totally do this. And this is me in Thailand. This is the video where I was actually in Vietnam. This trip, I went to Thailand, I went to Philippines, and I went to Vietnam. It was great, man. And I was working. So you don't have to be a senior level position. You do need some level of experience. You don't have to have 10 years of experience. I'm just going to give you a brief overview. Okay, first of all, let me show you my course. My course talks about why I love to work remotely. It's got a bunch of notes and stuff like here, but ton of videos also. Requirements of working remotely, who hires, like some employers, experience in how to do the interview and actual job searches. Okay, I'm gonna add more to this course for sure, because now I'm literally about to go overseas again and do this again on a whole different level. But let me show you something else that's super valuable. This is my best course. I don't get a lot of purchases on it, but everybody who takes it gets some crazy offers. I just wrote down everything I do and how I approach each job, how I'm able to get so many opportunities even when the economy's bad. I've been getting jobs even in 2008, even in this current bad economy. I'm still getting a crazy amount of job offers. I'll just post them online because I don't need them. Like, I can't possibly work them all. If you go through these, you'll see a remote help desk one. Go to my TikTok and there's a remote help desk. I guarantee it's not no 15 years. There are remote positions that you can find, but let me show you what I'm talking about. It's all about the algorithm. LinkedIn, Indeed.com, even Google, they all use an algorithm to position you. When these recruiters go on these sites, they're using that algorithm to their advantage. So what you have to do is position yourself correctly.